Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Flavia. Flavia is another subsidiary or branch of Sterling Perfumes. Sterling Perfumes is very well known. They are one of the biggest Middle Eastern perfume houses, if not the biggest. They have many brands under their name, under their umbrella, and one of the most famous ones are homme, and Flavia is another one. So they have about, I think, 10 or 12 names or brands under their belt, under their name right now. So this one is called Flavia Excellus first. This is pour homme for men. Is a eau de parfum. Is 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30. And I was very curious how this one smells. I think I unboxed and reviewed 1 or 2 Flavias before, and they were quite good, for especially for a price. So let's see how this one goes. So this one, as I said, is aimed at men, and it came out in 2023, so it came out this year. And here we go, let's go. Sorry about the noise. Here we go. Okay, so as always, simple box, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottles. That's got an F on top as a Flavia and all the information here, and it says Sterling Perfumes and Excellus first Flavia Parfum, and it's quite a nice presentation for under £30. The bottle looks very good. Look at this. The bottle looks very attractive, quite heavy. Nice design to it. The coloring is very nice. It's from very dark brown to lighter brown or gold color. The cap is plastic, but it's got a weight to it. And the atomizer is modern, and this one's tagged as Excellus Flavia. Very nice design. Very nice, attractive design. Okay, let's see at the atomizer. Here we go. The atomizer. Nice atomizer. It puts out ample enough juice. Okay, so Flavia, and this is Excellus first eau de parfum, aimed at men, pour homme. And here we go. First sniff, first impression. Woo, fruity. So sweet and fruity. That's the first thing it hits me. The sweetness, from 0 to 10 being the sweetest, this is around 7 to 8, so it's quite sweet, you know, to like your sweet fragrances. Straight away pineapple, blackcurrant, and little bit of zesty feel, lemony feel to it as well. Little bit of peppery feel to it. Right now it's like a fizzy. So it's a little bit of fizziness, little bit of pepperiness, little bit of spicy tinge to it. But what an opening, beautiful, straight to the perfume, no harshness, no hint of alcohol in the beginning, very tiny amount, maybe 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and it's gone. So for under £30, it's good. Yeah, I smell so many fruits in here. So definitely pineapple, blackcurrant, definitely zesty feel from bergamot, lemony, and also a tiny bit of stone fruit feel to it. Maybe it's a plum or maybe it's a peach in here, just a hint of it. Mid is dominated by florals, definitely jasmine, definitely rose in here, making it that softness in the mid, giving it that soft body, balance everything out. Yeah, hint of spiciness, little bit of cinnamon, tiny bit, very small amount right now, but what an opening, very attractive. The base is woody, cedar, most likely to be cedar, very clean base. It's about muskiness as well. Tiny hint of patchouli in here, not much, just a hint to give it another dimension, another body. But what a smell! So this one is in the realm of Creed Aventus, but is not 100% Creed Aventus, if you get my drift. Is probably inspired by Creed Aventus, but they wanted to give a hint of their own personality or their own DNA, their own signature scent, and that given a little bit of difference from the Creed Aventus. Although it is there are similarities and it would take you there, it would remind you of Creed Aventus, but this one is a little bit spicy, a hint of spiciness to it, which Creed Aventus got a little bit of pepperiness to it, but this one is a little bit bigger in here. Yeah, just a tiny amount, shall we say around 80% similarity to Creed Aventus, and the 20% is their own signature or their own DNA or their own personality, and that personality is a tinge or hint of spice, and that little bit of cinnamon, little bit of pepperiness, and also tiny bit of warm spicy. Probably there is something like the saffron in here, just a hint of it. Yeah, but what a gorgeous fragrance, beautiful. I like it when they don't go straight to copy something, because I think, this is my opinion, I think if they all were, you know, all these inspired fragrances, copies, clones, whatever you want to call them, if they were all the same, what would have been the point? So you smell one, you smell all of them, yeah? But each of them trying to give their own signature, their own personality, their own DNA to it, that is making it more interesting. And to me, this is much more interesting than just a straight Creed Aventus clone. Is much better to me, to my nose. Although I love Creed Aventus DNA, as many of you will know that already. I'm a big fan of Creed Aventus DNA, but obviously I don't think it's worth £300. Creed Aventus, it's ridiculously overpriced. Should have been somewhere around £100 maybe, but £300 too overpriced, too rip off, too much rip off. And houses like you know, like Sterling Perfumes, Armaf, and this one Flavia, they're doing a good job. Every time I smell one, they are improving and getting better. And here you can tell, even under £30, this smells very good, smells very well done, smells balanced, everything is done very nicely. Yeah, it's got a hint of birchiness to it, a hint of smokiness, tiny bit, not much. At the moment is more fruits than anything else, than the woods and the birch. But you can tell in the background there is a hint of smokiness, a little bit of leatheriness as well. Just a hint again, tiny bit of darkness, not much, just minimalistic. Overall, it opened up very bright, very inviting, very fruity, and very appealing, very inviting, and very captivating. And I absolutely loving it right now. The only thing is, let's see how is the performance. If the performance is anything good, yes, we have a big banger on our hand again. I love Creed Aventus DNA and I can't get enough of it. I have about 50 of them right now, so the more the merrier. I love them, I can't get enough. You guys, that depends on you, how much you like them, how much you love them, how much you want to keep buying different ones from different brands. But for me, as a perfume reviewer, as a reviewer myself, I am absolutely loving this. Yeah, hint of spiciness, hint of leatheriness, hint of woodiness, and that little bit of birchiness in the background. It's giving a tiny bit of smokiness, very minimalistic. As I said, the biggest players right now in the beginning for the first impression are the fruits. Definitely pineapple, definitely sweet pineapple, quite juicy. Definitely bergamot and lemon in here to give it that zestiness, and also the blackcurrant to give it that tartiness. And also I smell something like stone fruits, maybe peach or plum, tiny bit, again just a hint of it to give it a more interesting dimension. And then the mids is dominated by florals, jasmine and rose are quite big in here, and also is balancing everything out to soften all the composition together. And in the base we have the cedar, we have the birch, we have leather, we have musk, and also a tiny bit of smokiness overall, but it's quite woody and musky in the base. Overall, yes, for a first impression, first sniff, I'm absolutely loving it. In terms of presentation, it's very good, under £30. In terms of smell, it's very good for a first sniff, first impression, and I think it's worth the money. The only thing is, as I said, let's see how is the performance. I will let you know in the next video the performance, the longevity and the development, and we'll take it from there. Thank you very much, guys. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, my own perfumes, yes, I'm a perfumer myself, there are 18 of them in my lineup. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. There are 18, there are true handmade perfumes. The only thing is you need to live in United Kingdom in order to enjoy them. The lucky ones in United Kingdom, I leave them in the link. They are ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, no alcohol, no additives, no preservatives, nothing added, nothing taken away. Pure perfume oils from my country, Iran, Persia, and very beautiful, very artistic, very unique, and very mysterious. As I said, I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.